Sound mind presents to you. Are you a pessimistic person? Here's 5 questions to ask and find out. In order to be effective in the things we do, it is important that we carry an optimistic attitude. With an optimistic attitude, we are more likely to enjoy the things we are doing, as well as persevere in reaching our goals. At the same time, being optimistic helps us to be resilient and persevere through the tough times. The way you mentally explain the things that happen to you will show whether you are an optimistic or pessimistic person. Check on the 5 statements below. Do you explain your circumstances this way? Are you a pessimistic person? Number 1. Do you say, "I am lucky to have achieved that"? A pessimistic person always attribute their success to luck, while dismissing their hard work, abilities, and competencies. Such people could not accept compliments that are given to them. In contrast, an optimistic person will celebrate success, especially when they have invested hard work and effort. Identifying their success factors help them to cultivate on their strengths and eliminate their weaknesses. Number 2. Do you say, "The bad outcome happened because of my failure, and I can do nothing about it"? We know all too well of a student who gets bad grade, and they have then reasoned that they are stupid, and could do nothing about improving their grades. In contrast, an optimistic student who gets a bad grade may evaluate their preparation method, and realize that they did not have enough time to cover certain topics, due to poor study habits, or bad time management. With such realization, they could make adjustment to their habits and plannings, and achieve success. Number 3. Do you say, "I am stuck in this bad situation, and I am doomed for entire life"? A pessimistic person will think that their bad situation is permanent, and it will be a fixed situation that stay bad for a long time. In a very simple illustration, a pessimistic person who is on diet may say that, "I can never lose weight, I have bad genetics." We have heard of many success stories of persons who were persistent and hard-working, have achieved their goals, despite that it wasn't an immediate process. If you want to experience a similar kind of success story, you need to know that bad events can change for the better, environment could improve, toxic people that have been causing troubles to you will one day leave. Optimistic people know that nothing is permanent, including the bad situation. Number 4. Do you say, "I am always very unlucky, bad things always happen to me"? A pessimistic person will think that the bad things always and only happen to them, and exaggerate the effect of bad things. In contrast, an optimistic person knows that there are always 2 sides to a coin, including our life events. Many times, it requires a change of mindset and perspective to do the trick. Number 5. Do you say, "I am lucky this time, I am sure good things happen only temporary"? It is difficult for a pessimistic person to savor the moments when they are expecting bad things to happen. Being too careful about their life, they do not take risk to try out new ideas, or pursue the dreams they've always wanted. The thing is, they would never start because they fear of failure. We have all heard about optimistic person who savor every goodness in their life. It doesn't mean they are immune to failure, but they are always quick, and actively looking for the good things in life. Such people know what makes them happy, and what makes their life meaningful. It is not difficult to spot those people around you who sign up on a hiking tour, organize a workout program in the company, or take up a new skills. They do not wait for good things to come to them. Instead, they seek out the good things in life, and make them permanent. Psychologists call the way we explain situation our explanatory style. Our explanatory styles affect how we perceive the world, our stress level, and how we react to stress factors. An optimistic outlook makes us feel less threatened by negative events, be less stressful, and less likely to be depressed. Studies also show that people with negative explanatory styles may have more trouble recovering from heart transplants and other stressful life events. So, now that you are aware about the thought process of pessimistic person, it will be easier for you to take preventive measures. And once you know how to think optimistically, you will enjoy your life better, and more likely to persevere to achieve your goals. What do you think? Do you have trouble being optimistic? If so, what are getting in your way? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please also subscribe to this channel, it will help us to continue making videos like this.